back to another episode on the DadVanture YouTube channel. As always, I'm Chris. This is the Astro van. It's been about 2 months since I got to get out here and do something in the van. Been a little cooped up with an injury, so I'm excited to get out here. Just gonna do something simple today. I got a new product that I want to test out, and we're just hitting this little dirt road over by my house. Got a nice lake view. Gonna have a nice sunset. And yeah, gonna cook up a nice little meal, or prepare a nice little meal. What's up, everybody? Made it. I got a nice new product that I wanted to test out today. It's a cutting board. It's made by Gerber, and comes with like a knife, 2 cutting boards, and places where you could like put what you chop, which is cool because in this van, organization is not the greatest. So to test it out today, I'm gonna be making some guacamole and enjoying the sunset. So let's get to it. All right, so this thing is pretty dope. Like I said, it's made by Gerber, and it has a double-sided bamboo cutting board with like a little juice ring in it, which is nice. It has whatever this is called, acrylic or PVC or whatever cutting board, also with a juice ring and anti-skid mat. And then it also has 2 super nice knives. This is a 6-inch chef's knife, also made by Gerber, and this is what I'm most excited about. And then I just thought it was cool that like it had a little place where you could put everything that you chop, and then it also has a big bowl. So this should come in handy in the van as far as space saving goes, and we're gonna try it out. So let's get to it. First thing I got to do is get some oil going. I'm also going to home make some corn tortilla chips. Just going to fry them up. I got a fry pan. Ooh, like butter. Those are nice. Sunset's looking good. All right, this knife is really nice, I got to say. Okay, so I'm just gonna push it right into my little bin here. Keep on chopping. All right, so we got that done. We could do some parsley. Okay, we got parsley, we got garlic. I'm gonna do some limes. Okay, let's do the avocados. One thing about living in California is we always got fresh avocados. Can't complain about that. If you saw my last video, I've been dealing with a herniated disc in my back for probably the last 2 months. And magnesium is really good for your muscles. And avocados are super rich in magnesium. So that's why I decided to do guacamole today. It's because it helps me. I still had a little bit of lime on my fingers. I don't think anything tastes better than lime and guacamole, and lime and avocado. Go ahead, put all this into a tray. Tomato. Okay. I'm a little bit of a chicken when it comes to hot stuff, so I'm not going to use all of this. And I'm definitely going to cut out the seeds. This knife feels super good in my hands. All right. So I also got the seasoning from my buddy Tito, Herbs and Hounds, like dogs. In here I got lemon salt, black pepper, lemon zest, garlic, onion, and ginger and parsley. It's all ground up. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of this seasoning on there. Do a little bit more salt. Do the limes. All right, now I just take a fork Mix and mash. Oh, right at time for sunset. That's really good. All right, let's go eat. All right, well, there goes the sunset. Let's look at the view from the van. Like, does it get much better than this? Check this out. Gotta love my Astro van. Thing is great. Even makes a nice like plate. This thing is great. Well, this turned out to be a nice little evening. The Gerber, I think this is called the Gerber ComplEAT, like Compl-EAT, eat, complete cutting board kit. 10 out of 10 so far. It's my first time using it. The knife, I used this big chef's knife. It was amazing. Felt great in my hand. Chopped everything up super nice. The nice tray was a good collector for all the stuff that I had already chopped up. I could clear off the small cutting board, put it in here, and then I just mixed all my guacamole in the tray, and it made a nice little plate for me. So far, first time using it, 10 out of 10 for the Gerber ComplEAT cutting board. Guacamole is fire. Man, I got a few more chips to go and a little bit more guacamole, but I am stuffed. I don't know if I can eat the rest. Whew. It's really good though. Man, this is so good. Look at this. Ooh. And this Gerber tray does great. Like, this is perfect for what I need. It's got like nice spot to cut, nice spot to mix, nice spot to eat out of. I'm super happy. The knife is super nice. Area is super nice that I'm at. Trail is super nice. My back feels super nice. I'm just super nice right now. I'm happy that I got out. I'm happy that I got back in the van, eating some good food, hanging out with you guys again. So, cheers everybody. Thanks for tuning into the videos. I'm gonna cut it. Enjoy the sunset, and I'll see you guys on the next one.